Download Livlong 365 app from Play Store and App Store and sign in. Enter your registered mobile number and on submit you will receive an OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP and enter to home screen. On home screen you will see banner, profile, and product categories. Footer options. Click on top left corner to go on side menu. Click on products to start availing the purchased product. Click on Doctor Consultation to avail the purchased consultation. Provide location permission. Select preferred time slot from set of slots. Go on summary page on avail now. Customer will receive call your Livlong operation team for informing about the final time slot. Once confirmed, customer communication SMS WhatsApp with link to join consultation.